So when I joined the village, I joined as a PD nurse. Then I transitioned and started training as a home hemo nurse. And then I started, embarking on a journey of growth. I completed DSSL because I wanted to be a better leader, not necessarily a manager, but I did want to get better skills. So I completed that course. And I continued to just lead on the front line with my teammates. And then Thrive came around and I interviewed and applied and got into that program. And that program basically just set me up to be a better operations leader and to really equip me to be a manager, I guess, of people. And so I went through that program and then I ended up taking an FA role and transitioned into an RHM role, which is a regional home manager. So I did that as well. And then I wanted to grow some more, I guess. I ended up applying and got into the Foresters program. And so that program basically takes leaders and prepares them for operations like regional or divisional roles. And so completed that program and then I transitioned into the Director of Home. So that's kind of my journey.